oil, and you don't really need to if you use this. You don't even really have to do extra skincare unless you want to. I mean, as a cleansing oil, it's so good. I think you can get another bag. I mean, you might as well get 4 more bags because $35, right? Stock up now because we are in limited stock, Unique Beauty, but hopefully too you win on the giveaway. Yes, Pauline says they smell amazing. Do you have a favorite scent, Pauline? Green or pink? Pink is my favorite scent. I love the big floral group, grapefruit scent of it all. Yeah, they are the cutest little bottles for on the go. So true. You can take them anywhere, y'all. Where have they traveled to with you? Mine have traveled with me to Florida. Pink is your favorite scent? Yes, Pauline. Mine too, girlie. Mine too. I love it. Y'all, we do have 8 minutes left on the flash sale. The entire checkout is now. And again, the best price, the best deal is getting those 80 pieces because you can get 4 whole bags for $35. That's $5 off the price of 1 bag on the live, or the price of 2 bags on the live, okay? So grab it now because we are all out of the 1 bags. If you got oily skin or combo skin, you have the best deal right now, you guys. You can get it for $35. If you got dry skin, you can get it for $22, but you could get more bags, or you can get 2 extra bags if you just get the $35. So you guys want to grab it now. It is such an amazing product. Stock up. I mean, these are the best deals. We cannot always offer you these deals outside of the live, okay? And obviously lives are coming to an end soon. Temporarily, we'll let you know where we end up going. So just like us on this app, like us and follow us. Keep it interactive, y'all. If you want to win that giveaway, you got to commit. You got to keep liking the live, tapping, sharing our live, commenting, and viewing the product cart. Viewing the product cart is the best way.
Girls, to join our free giveaway, just simply click the pink box right here, click send comment to join, and you can also tap in the screen giving us more likes, or click the product card, stay here for 10 to 15 seconds. All this action will increase your possibility of winning the free giveaway.
So true, y'all. On the free giveaway is 1 whole bag. You don't get to choose the color. 1 whole bag, 20 whole pieces. 20 whole pieces, okay? 20 pieces that you can use up to 1 to 2 months. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for buying. Thank you. Appreciate y'all. Y'all also, if you buy and you let me know, I'll sing you a little song. But y'all are gonna wanna grab it. It is such an incredible deal right now. 4 whole bags for $35. Usually 2 bags are the price of like $40, right? So you want to grab it now. We don't have any more 1 bags. We are selling like crazy because it's such an amazing product, okay? So check out now. You have only 6 minutes left on that flash sale to take advantage of it. And we do have limited stock. As you can see, we are selling out. And that is because it is the best makeup remover oil ever, okay? I mean, even Cardi B uses it. Her skin looks incredible. My skin has improved. If you saw me at the start of the lives to now, oh my gosh, you would be so amazed. It's so much easier. I don't have to pile on the foundation, but this can take even heavy makeup, right? You could do whole character-based costume makeup. You could make your face look like Garfield. Thank you so much, Betty Boo, for the rose. Thank you. Appreciate you, girlie. Y'all grab it now. You are going to love this product, and we only have 5 minutes left. If y'all are trying to win the giveaway, we're in the last 30 seconds, so just hang out on our shopping cart, okay? That'll help guarantee that y'all are gonna have the best chance to win and let TikTok know you're not a bot. Good luck to you, Pop-Tart. Thank you for the heart. Good luck to you all entering the giveaway. Keep hanging out on that shopping cart, you guys. That is gonna be the best way to try to get you a win. So, it depends on how much you order, Harari. So if you order the 2 bags, you're gonna get 40 pieces. There's 20 in each bag. If you get the 80 pieces, you're gonna get the 80 pieces. Wow, we have another buyer. Thank you so much.
Ooh, we just have a winner for our free giveaway.
Who's our free giveaway winner? Let me know. Maybe they're jumping up and down right now. Again, you guys, just want to direct your attention. Thank you so much, Sarah B. Jesus loves you too. For the next 5 minutes, really like 4 more so, we have 35. You can get it for $35, 80 pieces. You won! Congratulations, Cody! Congratulations! Yes, y'all, even men can use it. They can give it to their wives too. ordered. Thank you so much, Pretty Little Makeup Things. I'll sing us a pretty little makeup. Gonna have pretty makeup remover and amazing skin. Pretty little makeup. If you guys like your song, let me know. If you want another song, let me know. If you've ordered before and you didn't get a song, let me know, guys. More giveaways to come. More giveaways to come. Don't go anywhere. Keep liking. You ordered? All right. Genesis Cleaning Service. It's gonna have amazing skin. They're gonna have so much time on their hands because they got the Cistto Beauty Oil. Genesis Cleaning Services. If you guys order, you get a song. Okay, you can order the 40 or the 80, but our 80 pieces is the best deal, y'all. It is the best deal. That is going to get you 4 whole bags for $35. What an incredible, incredible deal. Grab it now. Okay, Beyonce. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. That's so funny. Thank you, Pika Shop. Hilarious, hilarious. Grab it now, okay? You guys, 3 minutes left of that flash sale.